So let us today start with the design of a DFA for strings containing only AA or BB. So we'll start with initial state Q0, either it should contain either AA or it should contain double B. So it can contain B. I name the state here Q3, and if it is a B, it should contain double B. So what happens is, if Q0, from Q0 we will now see that for making the DFA's deterministic finite automatas, we need to have the transition from each of the inputs. Here sigma is equal to AB. It is given sigma is equal to AB. So from Q0 we are having a state transition. On A it is going to Q1, on B it is going to Q3. Now see, from Q1, if it is A it is going to Q2, if it is B, where we can put it? We have to add a dead state? No, because if it is a B we can send it here, and what will happen? From Q1 it will have a transition to Q3, and from Q3 again it will have a transition to Q2, which means it will have B, double B here if it is going through this path Q1, Q3, Q2, and it will end with double B here. If it is A, it should contain AA or BB. So in that case Q2 can have transitions of A and B both onto itself. Now the thing what remains is Q3 state. Q3 state we have a transition of input B, but we don't have a transition of input state A. So what we can do is, we can send this transition of input A to Q1, so that if the transition is coming to be B, A and A, it will have a double A and ending with Q2. So it will, in any way if it goes, it will have a double A, it will have a double B from here. If from Q1 it is having a B, A double B, then it will be having A, B and B transition. If it is from Q3 there is an A transition, it can go to Q1, and from there it is having a there it will again form a double A transition. So what we are getting here is, either you will be getting in the whole string double A, or you will be getting double B. And other than that, suppose in any of the strings we have to check whether it will get A, B, A. We'll check for this string where it will go. Q0 on transition A, on transition B and on transition A. We have to check that. So Q0 on transition A will be going to Q1, Q1 on transition B will be going to Q3, and Q3 on transition A will be going to Q1, which is not a final state, so not accepted. Not a final state, so string not accepted. So this way we see that if there are no double A's or double B's in the string, it will not accept those strings. And if there is a double A in any of the combination and there is a double B in any of the combination, it should accept those strings. So we have made the DFA for strings containing either AA or B, double B. Thank you.